FIBERGLASS at JG78. We've detected unauthorized access to restricted technology in Sector 7. A high-value containment unit has been compromised. This technology cannot fall into civilian hands. The implications would devastate our control of the prosthetic market. Your mission is simple. Retrieve the containment unit. Eliminate any resistance.
Understood. Deploying immediately.
Let's see. What'd you bring? Junk. Wait, where'd you find that?
Does it matter?
Look, I'll give you 15 rations for the parts. But that container is dangerous. If you found it, you should unfind it.
Well, I need to know what's inside.
You don't understand. That container, it's not just forbidden. It's the kind of thing that can get you. Look, take your wares and go.
Wait.
Listen, whatever they're offering you, I'm not interested.
Look, I'm just trying to help you, okay?
Yeah, and why would an Imperial soldier want to help me?
Because I'm trying to do what's right.
Okay, well, I don't need your help.
Look, I can help you. The Camtono. I know somebody that can help.
Are you deaf? I just said I don't need help.
Look. You need to make your way to the cantina. Find the smuggler named Flowhawk and his big furry friend. They can help you open it.
Okay. I heard you guys might be interested in these.
Listen, kid. Every week somebody comes in here saying they got something special. I can tell you don't.
Well, I'm not a kid anymore.
Okay. Every week somebody who's not a kid just waltzes up in here with Imperial parts. Can you believe this one?
Well, I need someone to help me access something restricted.
Like, I don't know what kind of stuff you're into, but I got my own problems.
Okay.
No. You still remember that way over to Dylan's, the salt flats for the little R2 unit? All right, kid, let's go.
Fine, but I'm not a kid anymore.
I know this baby may not look like much, but she's got it where it counts. Dylan's place is a couple clicks up that way. Keep your eyes open. We're not the only ones who know about that precious cargo of yours.
There has to be another way.
What are you gonna do? Cut it open?
This lightsaber can detect energy fields. And there's something different about this container. It's resisting my attempts. I can feel it through the Force. This isn't meant to be opened by one person. The way it's responding and reacting to my attempts, it's waiting for something. A collective.
What do you mean?
The Empire's power was built on division. Us versus them, Imperial tech versus everything else. This requires unity. Rebels working as one.
Do you understand anything you just said?
We need Jen, and others like us. Others who fought back against the Empire when they told us what prosthetics we could or couldn't wear. To fight the status quo. You were right to find us.
So we go to Jen.
No need. She's already here.
I've been here the whole time. The Rushfoot rebels were never silent. For years, we disrupted everything the Empire stood for. We challenged their standards, their regulations, their grip on how we could choose. We were loud. We were proud. We were revolutionaries, disruptors of the prosthetic industry. Then came the merger. Rushfoot and Freedom Innovations became part of PROTEOR. No one intended it, but our voices became muffled as the companies realigned. Not through force or intent, but through natural chaos of change. But you can't accidentally erase a revolution. It lies in each of us, waiting for the right moment to resurface. That moment has arrived. You were right about the Cantona. The ancient texts spoke of a vessel that could only be opened by the unity of many. We thought it was a metaphor until now. Six digits, a code. It's waited generations to be used. It won't open. Here, you try.
Maybe the translation was wrong. Let me see. Now it looks right.
Well, that was anticlimactic.
We're not complete. Someone's missing.
It's me. I'm the missing rebel.
A stormtrooper?
JG78 is no more. My name is Joel, and I'm a rebel.
For years I've worn this armor, following their rules, taking their orders. But underneath it all, every step, every mission, every day, they gave me a number and tried to make me just another soldier in white. They couldn't number my spirit. They can't regulate my heart. I was never just a stormtrooper, JG78. Even though I couldn't show it, I've always been just like one of you.
That's why you kept trying to help.
I'm the bridge between what was and what will be, between the world of control and our world of choice. Like this container, I may look like I'm Imperial on the outside, but on the inside, I'm a rebel, just like all of you are.
Prophecy wasn't about bringing us rebels together. It was about uniting all sides of the cause.
For years, our voices have been muffled. Until now.
The marriage of both technologies, both philosophies.
This isn't about choosing sides anymore.
It's about bringing them together.
From division to unity.
This is more than a new prosthetic. This is the future we've been fighting for, where innovation knows no bounds, where technology serves everyone. We don't have to choose between Imperial standards and the rebel spirit.
Prophecy wasn't about finding a weapon or gaining power.
It was about finding a way forward, together.
We were rebels. Now, we are legends.